Hey guys, what's happening? Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Sam.
Let's just pretend that that piece of wrap isn't hanging from my braid. Okay, thanks.
Welcome to the Sam fam. As you guys can see from the title, today I am bringing you guys a little Y2K hairstyle tutorial. But before we even get started, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button down below, turn your post notification bell on, and follow me on Instagram at SamAlexandria. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like seeing like hair videos or whatever, and I'll do more of them. But yeah, I struggled with this look, as you guys will see, so I don't want to, say this is step by step how you should do it, but this is how I achieved it, and it worked out in the long run. As you can see, it's not horrible, but it was a little trialing because I almost said cut the cameras, cut it, I'm not doing this anymore. But yeah, so it's my little early 2000s vibes. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. I don't want to keep the intro too long, but yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed and blow dried. It is not like super straight because one, I blow dried it and put my bonnet on and took a shower, so it kind of like formed into the bonnet. But anyways, it doesn't really matter. I just need my hair to be clean and dry, so I'm doing, you guys saw the hairstyle already in the intro, but I've already done this hairstyle before. I just didn't do it as good as I wanted to, so yeah, we're gonna redo it and like spice it up a little bit. So I'm gonna start off with a middle part down the center of my head. By the way, I didn't show you guys like my wash routine and all that stuff because in my last full get ready with me, I showed you guys what products I use when I wash my hair, condition my hair, deep condition, all of that stuff, and like oiling my scalp, all that good stuff. So if you guys want to see that, I'll put a card above so you guys can check out that video. But yeah, so all right, now that we have the middle part, I'm doing 4 ponytails as you guys saw. So I'm gonna go ahead and part this section in the middle. Okay, so now that we have this in 2, I'm gonna go ahead and section off this bottom part so we can work with the top first. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'm gonna be using. Okay, so I have my Eco Styler Crystal Gel, my Laid by Lyra Edge Control, the Got To Be Glued Spray. For the hair, I'm using the Jumbo Rastafari 1B. I have 4 packs. I probably won't use all 4 packs because these are thicker packs of hair. We'll see though, we'll see. And then I also got the Wrap It, like the styling strips, so that way when we finish and I like lay my edges down and everything, I can wrap it really tight and get it to, dry, nice and cute. You know what I mean. Anyways, they have that at like the local beauty supply stores. I got that from my beauty supply, and I got the hair from my beauty supply as well. So yeah, now we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Let me open up one pack first. I might end up using a pack per braid now that I'm thinking about it. I always like to keep my hair sectioned on my towel rack. You guys can't really see it here, but if you watch my other braiding videos, then you already know. I'm sectioning this into like 4 sections. So I'm gonna lather up my hair with the Eco Styler Gel. Now that it's evenly all over the hair, I'm just gonna brush it into a ponytail. Now, this isn't necessarily a protective style because putting your hair in tight ponytails isn't really protecting your hair. But if you don't do it too tight, then it can be, you know, protective-ish. So I'm just brushing it out. I'm probably gonna add some more gel. So I'm gonna take a little bit more gel. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. I'm not tying it too tight because I don't want my hair to be like, you know, breaking off. So I'm probably gonna do 4 loops. Now you see the hair has all this gel and stuff on it, which is ideal because I want it to slick into the fake hair. So I'm gonna just comb this part out a little bit. And I'm gonna start sectioning it into 3, like a normal braid. Section it into 3. And then I'm gonna just braid like one little section. My hair has a lot of product in it right now, but once it dries, it won't be as like white. So I braided it a little bit, right? And now I'm gonna grab some fake hair and I'm gonna put it with the 2 outside sections, and then I'm gonna start braiding with it. A couple times. And then once this part is on the outside section again, I'm gonna take more hair and add it to the outside sections again. Hopefully you guys are following along with this. Okay. I'm starting over this now because it did not come out right the first time. So, trial and error. I'm taking my first section. I ended up splitting it into like 3 sections instead of 4. So I unbraided all the hair. It's back to just no braid, right? So I'm gonna, but it is sectioned into 3 sections. So I'm gonna take this hair, this fake hair, and I'm gonna place it with the 2 outside sections. And then I'm just gonna start braiding as normal. Until this part is on the outside. Then I'm gonna grab more hair. I'm gonna place it with the 2 outside pieces again, and then just braid as normal. And then I'm gonna add the last part to the outside 2 sections. And then keep braiding. Okay, so I finished the first braid. As you can see up top here, it looks kind of crazy, but I'm gonna keep going because I wanted to give up, but I refuse. I refuse to give up. So we're gonna keep going even though that looks crazy. I'm just gonna repeat the same steps all over my head, gel it up, put in the ponytail, braid in the hair. I think what happened last time is that I had too much gel on my hair, so it just made it hard to grasp the braid with my natural hair. By the way, I did end up using the full pack of hair for this braid, so it's gonna be a pack per braid, I'm pretty sure. And I'm sectioning this into 3. It gets a little difficult on the ends to braid all the way down, but I'm gonna put accessories in my hair on the bottom, so it'll be okay. All right, I'm gonna just go ahead and do my other side of my hair, and I'll come back to show you guys how I'm gonna make this look halfway decent. God, y'all, I'm almost done. Doesn't look as bad on camera, but when I get close up, it's pretty bad. But we're gonna fix it as much as possible. It's kind of coming out at the ends, but I'll fix that later. So I have, to really give it that Y2K flair, I have my ballies, bubbles. I don't know what people call them, but that's what I call them. These things, basically, you know? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them at the top. I'm not gonna make them too tight or anything, but to kind of distract from the fact that the braid on top isn't as good as it should be, I'm just gonna place these on the top of my head, on the top of the braid. Like that. So now you can't see the top of the braid, right? Then I'm gonna put some on the ends of the hair too. The hair is uneven at the end, so it's hard to get it to braid all the way down. So I'm just gonna leave some of it out, and then I'm gonna cut it at the end. So how I have it like that, and then I'm just gonna trim it at the ends. So this is what it looks like on the bottom. So now I'm just gonna kind of accessorize the whole head all the way through like that. And then we'll come back and we'll lay our edges and put the wrap on. In the back, I only did 2 on top because I'm running out of volleys. I thought I had a lot more, but I don't know where they are. All right, so these are the ends, very pom-pom like. Yeah, it looks cute to me. Now I'm gonna lay my edges. I just have a little edge brush. Oh, that's dirty. And my laid by layer edge control. I'm just gonna lay my edges. I also like to make the part super defined, so I put some edge control down there. Y'all know I don't do nothing crazy with my edges, so it's just a normal little sweep. And now I'm just gonna spray with the Got2b all over the hair. Then I like to take a little bit of the edge control, put it on my palms, and just slick everything down. Now I'm gonna wrap my hair. I've never done this before, so wish me luck. Never done this before, but now I'm gonna just put my do-rag on, and I'm gonna get ready a little bit later today, and I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished product. All right guys, so it is later in the day. I just did my makeup. I try to do it kind of like 90s vibes, dark lip liner, light lipstick, keeping it matte on the face. Anyways, let's take this wrap off, see how it came out. Okay, I have a line on my forehead from where my makeup Let me just blend that in. Oh my god, it looks cute. Okay, it's not horrible. I like it. I mean, I feel like it goes, I put my little TLC t-shirt on, you know? So, yeah. Oh, a little something stuck right there. Okay. But yeah, it came out cute. Pretty simple. I mean, I'm no hairstylist, all right? So this, I think, is cute. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys how I do this little look. Something different, but you know, simple and easy. What, 4 packs of hair is about $12, you know, at the beauty supply. So I don't know, I think it's a cool, affordable look. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what else you guys want to see from my video or from my channel, and follow me on Instagram at SamAlexandria. All right, guys, I will see you guys later. Bye.
Yeah. You ran through my mind. It's like